Certainly. A ratchet wrench, also known as a socket wrench or ratchet spanner, is a versatile hand tool designed for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts. Here's a detailed explanation of its components and how it works. 1. Handle. The handle is the main body of the ratchet wrench, typically made of metal or durable plastic. It provides a grip for the user to hold onto while operating the tool. 2. Ratchet mechanism. The ratchet mechanism is the heart of the wrench. It consists of a gear and pawl system housed inside the handle. The gear has teeth that allow it to engage with the pawl in one direction while slipping over it in the other direction. 3. Socket attachment. At the end of the handle, there is a square drive socket attachment point where different sized sockets can be attached. These sockets come in various sizes to fit different bolt heads or nuts. 4. Switch. Many ratchet wrenches have a switch or lever near the head that allows the user to change the direction of rotation. By flipping the switch, you can change between tightening and loosening modes without removing the wrench from the fastener. 5. Release button. Some ratchet wrenches feature a release button on the head or handle. Pressing this button allows you to quickly release and change the socket attachment, saving time during a job. Here's how a ratchet wrench works. 1. Select socket. Choose the appropriate socket size for the nut or bolt you want to tighten or loosen. Attach the socket securely to the square drive on the end of the wrench handle. 2. Engage ratchet. Position the socket onto the nut or bolt head and ensure it's seated properly. If you need to tighten, ensure the ratchet switch is set to the tightening direction. 3. Apply force. Hold onto the handle and apply force in the desired direction. As you turn the handle, the ratchet mechanism engages, allowing the socket to rotate the nut or bolt. When you reach the end of one stroke, the pawl prevents the gear from rotating backward, so you can reposition the wrench without having to remove it from the fastener. 4. Repeat as necessary. Continue applying force and rotating the handle until the nut or bolt reaches the desired tightness or looseness. If you encounter limited space, the ratcheting action allows you to work in tight areas without having to reset the wrench with each turn. 5. Release socket. Once you're done, press the release button, if available, to remove the socket attachment from the wrench quickly. Ratchet wrenches are essential tools in automotive repair, machinery maintenance, construction, and many other industries due to their efficiency, versatility, and ease of use in confined spaces.